Oh, hey, didn't see you there.
I was just trying out my new shoes made by T-Gang. So let's take a more in-depth look at these shoes.
Introducing T-Gang's new all-purpose screaming shoes. If you're walking, T-Gang has got you covered. Running, got you covered. If you're outside walking around getting weird glances from your neighbors, we can't really help you there. Sorry.
Dog. As you can see, the design on these are very slim and very unique, and I really love the shape of these shoes. So on our left shoe, we have an Amazon Echo and a battery pack that's very large, so you never have to recharge your shoes. The right shoe, I really like the accents. It's the first thing you notice on this one. I really like the red and yellow accenting on the shoe. There's a few design critiques that I do have about this shoe. I do think that they could have improved on the breadboard here. I would like to see a bigger breadboard in any future models that may come out by T-Gang. Another great thing about these shoes, because it is an Amazon Echo, you can ask, Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 46 degrees Fahrenheit.
So I was actually able to get an interview with the CEO and founder of T-Gang, which is the company that makes these shoes.
I'm the founder of T-Gang, and I helped design these shoes. This shoe was my child. I spent years developing it. I just needed my internet-connected, Bluetooth-enabled voice assistant, long-lasting shoe. When we were trying to design a shoe that would fit all of the specifications of what we need in real life today, we turned to the obvious solution, the internet. We were scouring through the internet until we found this YouTube comment. It provided us with so much insight, and we really could understand what this person meant. We felt like we could connect with the idea. So that's what we based our shoe off of. That was the main inspiration for our shoe. Now, since I do have some shoes here, I'm gonna actually go into detail about these shoes. First, we'll start with the left shoes, because as you know, they're different. On the left shoe, big battery, Amazon Echo Dot, and a shoe. It's pretty simple. The other one's a little bit more complex. I'm gonna grab that one. So there's a little button on the inside. I'm not sure if you can see that. Every time you step, it presses this button, and then the right shoe makes a screaming noise. The shoes are default loaded with the screaming noises from TF2 from the character known as the Spy. Why? Because I don't know, honestly. There. So it's literally just a button circuit. I'd like to thank everyone that works at T-Gang for helping me envision my dream of having a voice assistant, fully computerized shoe that connects via Bluetooth.